What happens when robots replace humans? Who pays the taxes? Imagine a world where most of the work is done not by people, but by machines. Factories run without breaks, offices are managed by algorithms, and cashiers, drivers, and even doctors become unnecessary. But if robots don't earn salaries, who pays the taxes that keep governments alive? Robots stopped being science fiction long ago. They now build cars, deliver food, write articles, and even compose music. According to McKinsey, by 2035, up to 40% of all jobs could be automated worldwide. That means millions of people could lose their jobs, and governments could lose billions in tax revenue. A system built for human workers begins to collapse when its main taxpayers disappear. Robots don't earn wages, pay taxes, or go shopping. The companies that own them make record profits, but the gap between corporations and ordinary people keeps growing. The economy becomes more efficient, but far less fair. That's when the question arises: should robots themselves pay taxes? This idea was first publicly supported by Bill Gates. He proposed that every machine replacing a human worker should pay a tax, just like an employee pays income tax. The money could fund social programs, education, or retraining for displaced workers. In countries like South Korea, pilot programs already reduce tax benefits for companies that over-automate. But critics argue that taxing robots could slow innovation and discourage investment in technology. What once seemed like science fiction is now reality. In China, Changying Precision Technology opened the first smart factory, where robots replaced around 90% of human workers. Error rates dropped by 80%, and production tripled. Similar factories are operated by Tesla, Amazon, and Foxconn, where machines work 24/7, no breaks, no salaries, no complaints. It's great for business, but for the economy, it means fewer jobs, lower tax income, and a widening social gap. Robots aren't stealing jobs, they're changing what work means. The future isn't about competition between humans and machines. It's about partnership and creating new economic rules that fit both. The real question isn't whether we can build smarter robots, but whether we can build a smarter economy where everyone benefits.